Palmer's clearance. Good afternoon. Air India 1539 ready for pushback at Papa 34.
For takeoff runway 21 left.
Palmer's ground, Japan at 5879 ready to taxi. Asia 8406 requesting taxi to the gates. Palmer's clearance. Good afternoon. Sri Lanka 9301 ready for pushback at Tango 08.
Palmer's ground, Finnair 2650 requesting taxi to the gates. Palmer's Tower, Dynasty 4341 request cross runway. Palmer's clearance. Good afternoon. Asia 8241 ready for pushback at Papa 26. Sri Lankan 4443 cleared for pushback.
Palmas clearance. Good afternoon. Air India 6153. Ready for pushback at Papa 14.
Palmas ground, Sri Lankan 4443. Ready to taxi.
Cleared to land runway 21 right.
Air India 7686 taxi to gate Papa 14.
Palmas Tower. Air India 6153. Request to cross runway. Palmas clearance. Good afternoon. Air India 7905. Ready for pushback at Tango 11. Palmas Tower. Good afternoon. Speedbird 7718 is on approach. Left. Air India 6153. Ready for takeoff runway 21. Left.
Palmas Tower, Argos 7485. Request to cross runway. Air India 49904. Requesting taxi to the gates.
Palmas ground. Air India 5568. Taxi to the gates.
Palmas Tower. Good afternoon. UPS 1306 is on approach.
Palmas ground. Air China 9116. Requesting taxi to the gates.
Left.
Palmas Tower. Air India 7905. Request to cross runway. Palmas ground. Air India 1181. Ready to taxi.
KLM 8755. Ready for takeoff runway 21. Left.
Palmas ground. Air India 7290. Requesting taxi to the gates.
Left.
I fly 3370. Taxi to gate Papa 30.
Palmas ground. United 6643. Ready to taxi. Palmas clearance. Good evening. Air India 5035. Ready for pushback at Papa 00.
Palmas Tower. Air India 3565. Request to cross runway. Palmas Tower. Good evening. Sri Lankan 20904 is on approach. Ready for takeoff runway 21 left.
Palmas ground, Air India 5035, ready to taxi.
Air India 4468, requesting taxi to the gates.
Palmer's clearance, good evening, China's Hood 5119, ready for pushback at Tango 13.
Palmas ground, Air India 8330, requesting taxi to the gates.
Palmas ground, KLM 1122, taxi to the gates. Palmas Tower, Thin Air 2651, request to cross runway.
Sri Lankan 9505, ready for takeoff runway 21 left.
KLM 1122, requesting taxi to the gates.
Palmas Tower, good evening, Sadia 2884 is on approach.
Niner, ready for pushback at November 02.
FedEx 4736, taxi to gate Tango 15.
Palmas Tower, Air India 5865, request to cross runway.
Asia 8407, ready for takeoff runway 21 left.